Hi friends, today I am discussing about applications of trigonometry, exercise 1, sixth problem. Okay, let's go to the problem. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters. At a height of 6 meters. Okay. 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression is 60 degrees. At an angle of depression is 60 degrees. So it is targeting on the ground is the angle of depression is 60 degrees. Suppose this is 60, this automatically becomes 60. This is a property of a triangles. Okay, if the angle is 60 degrees, if it is shifting 60 degrees here. Otherwise, another logic is there. Suppose this is a straight line, this is perpendicular to this line, this is 90 degrees. So the value is here, this is 60 means 90 minus 60, 30. Automatically the value is automatically 90 degrees. Default it is 90. 90 plus 30, 120. Remaining is 60 degrees. 180 minus 120. Okay, 60 degrees we got. Okay, this is an application of sin theta. This is an application of sin theta and also done with cos theta also. Can be done with cos theta also. Okay, first see the sin theta. Let h height is, building height h is 6 meters. Okay, so top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground. Target is here, target on the ground. Okay, at an angle of depression is 60 degrees. Angle of depression is 60 degrees. Okay, so what he is asking, what is the distance between you and observer? What is the distance between you and observer? The distance between me and observer is x meters. Okay, so this is an application of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to sin theta. Here sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta means sin 60 is equal to 6 by x. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by x. So root 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by root 3. So this is 3 into 4 by root 3. So 3 is can be written as root 3 into 4 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So x is equal to 4 into 1.732. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 4 7s are 28, 29, 9 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 3 6.928 meters. Okay, sir, you are saying some other method. That is also nothing but suppose here this is angle of depression is 60 degrees. What is the angle is 30 degrees. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side. cos 6, here cos 30. Why? Because the angle is 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side is 6 by hypotenuse is x. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by x. Okay, remaining all these is same. So x is equal to 6.928 meters. Okay.